Today we're going to learn about writing verbal expressions. Here are some words that you're going to learn about: algebraic expression, variable, term, factor, and product. An algebraic expression consists of sums and or products of numbers and variables. So these are all algebraic expressions. Variables are symbols that are used to represent numbers that are unspecified in these expressions. So x in this case is a variable with an unknown value. A term can be an algebraic expression or a smaller part of it. For example, in this algebraic expression, this is term 1 and this is term 2. But this can be an algebraic expression by itself. And so in this case, it's an algebraic expression and a term. A term is just used to break apart an algebraic expression. In a multiplication type expression, the two quantities being multiplied together are factors. So 6 is one factor and x is the second factor. And together, this makes the product. The last thing that you need to know is expressions in terms of powers. If we have something like x to the n, this means x to the n power. Power is used to describe the exponent. N is the exponent, and n is also the power. In terms of power, we usually say things are in terms of the power of 2, power of 3, power of 4, power of 5, whole numbers like these. The exponent is just the general word that refers to what it's being raised to. So in this expression, we use exponents. However, it's x to the nth power. So these two are basically interchangeable. And this is the base. X is the base. So we have the base and the exponent, or power. So in this lesson, what we're trying to do is write verbal expressions. So take these expressions and write them in terms of words. So let's now try these problems. We have 3x and the fifth power. So if we put this into words, we can say this is 3 times x to the fifth power. This is how you write this expression in terms of words. We're multiplying 3 with x, which is raised to the fifth power. Now let's try the second one. We have 5, again multiplied, so 5 times y, and what is it to? It's to the third power. To the third power, and we're adding 12, so plus 12. So here we go. This is the second one. 5 times y to the third power plus 12. Now let's try this last one. 1/2 times a. We're multiplying by a, so it's times a plus 5 times 2/3 times a. So this is how we write out our third expression. So as you can see, with each of these algebraic expressions, each one has variables in it, like x, y, or a in this example. The terms describe the individual parts of the algebraic expression. So this is term 1, this is term 2 of this one, this is term 1, this is term 2 of this one. And then we have factors. For this example, 3 is a factor and x to the fifth is a factor. And together, this makes a product. And when writing verbal expressions, you break down each of the algebraic expressions into their core values in order to write it out. Each individual component is going to get its own wording in the final verbal expression down below.